About 1855 Reno. This is a full repair, cleaning, and Leafguard installation. As you see, we're gonna be installing this product, Alurex Leafguard, in order to prevent from this. You just need this kind of job: installation, repair, Leafguard installation. Go to our website 1855reno.com. We'll show you what it looks like after we finish this, so you have a better idea about the job. Again, our website is 1855reno.com. It's full. You see the water is not going anywhere. We're gonna proceed to take as much as we can first, and then check the elbow and the downpipe in order to make sure that the water is gonna flow. It's really bad, the smell here, because this has been sitting for so long, and yeah, we're gonna be installing Alurex Leafguard. That way this problem we're gonna be solving. You see, it's probably here the problem, and because here it is. You see, as soon as we clear there, the water started to go in there. It's unbelievable, the amount of what it looked like after all the cleaning, repair, and the Leafguard installation. See the amount of garbage there. This way they won't have to clean or repair anymore. You need this kind of service: installation, roofing, siding, soffit, fascia, painting. Go to our website 1855reno.com.